As parents, I don't think our biggest fear is that our kids will cheat with AI. We're afraid of something much bigger. We're afraid our kids are stepping into a world we don't fully understand yet. A world where AI rapidly grows, already writing code, passing exams, designing images, and diagnosing illnesses. And we're still here trying to figure out, should my kid learn piano or Python? Is it too late? Am I already behind? Everyone keeps saying AI will change everything, but almost no one is telling parents what to actually do about it. So we end up stuck in this quiet panic. I know AI is important. I don't really understand it. School isn't teaching it. I'm busy and exhausted. What if my child falls behind because I didn't know how to guide them? And then AI shows up right in our living room, on their laptop, on their phone, built into the tools they already use. Suddenly, it's not a future topic anymore. It's right there, next to their homework. And a new, very real fear kicks in. If I let my kid use AI, won't they just let it do everything for them? Won't they stop thinking for themselves? That's an honest question, and I believe it's one of the most important questions of this decade. For over 100 years, learning looked like this. You struggled through the research. You wrestled with a blank page. You drafted, edited, and rewrote. It was slow. It was messy. It was sometimes boring, but that process was where thinking happened. The final essay was never the real goal. It was just the evidence that the thinking had already taken place. Now, that evidence can be faked in 10 seconds with AI. The game has completely changed. So, our strategy as parents has to change too. This isn't about trying to ban AI. That's not realistic, and it won't prepare our kids for the world they're actually growing up in. This is about changing the process. We have to teach our kids the difference between using AI as a shortcut that makes them passive and using it as a lever that makes them smarter. Here's what that looks like in practice. Let's say your child's assignment is to write an essay about intelligent robots. Using it as a shortcut, the danger zone. Hey, AI, write me a 5-paragraph essay about intelligent robots. This teaches them one thing: how to copy-paste. The work is done, but zero learning happened. This is what we fear. Using it as a lever, the new skill. Step 1. Hey, AI, I have to write an essay about intelligent robots. Act as a research librarian. What are the 5 most important topics I need to understand? And what are a few good books or articles I should read to get started? Step 2, after they read and write a draft. Hey AI, here's my first draft. Act as an English professor. Please read my essay and tell me, is my main argument clear? Which of my points is the weakest? And what kind of evidence do I need to find to make it stronger? Do you see the difference? The first kid bypassed the entire learning process. The second kid just supercharged their learning. They didn't avoid the work, they elevated it. They learned how to do real research, how to structure an argument, and, most importantly, how to think critically about their own writing. And right now, I know every parent watching is thinking the same thing. Okay, so how do I make my kid the second kid? How do we guide them to want to use this as a lever when the shortcut is so easy and so tempting? Here's the truth. You can't do it with new rules. You can't do it by blocking websites. The only thing that separates the kid who copy-pastes from the kid who learns is genuine curiosity and self-drive. When a child is truly curious about a topic, they don't want the shortcut. They want to understand. They want to go deep. When they have that fire, that intrinsic motivation, AI stops being a cheating machine and becomes the most powerful engine for curiosity ever invented. And that is the entire reason I started this channel. My goal isn't just to teach AI facts. My goal is to partner with you to ignite that curiosity, so our kids choose to be the driver, not just the passenger. We do this by focusing on 2 things at the same time: the how it works, the foundations. We'll break down the basics. What is machine learning? What's an algorithm? These aren't just buzzwords. They're the grammar of this new language. When kids understand the building blocks, it's not a magic box they just use. It's a tool they can command. The why it matters, the wow. This is how we protect their imagination. We have to show them the amazing, cutting-edge, science fiction made real stuff that's happening right now. We'll explore the big questions. What is AGI, artificial general intelligence, and what would it mean to build a thinking machine? How do brain-computer interfaces really work, allowing people to control things with just their thoughts? Why are companies building these massive data centers in freezing cold places? And how do they power the AI we use every day? We want to connect what they're learning in school to a future that is bigger and more exciting than they can even imagine. As a mom, I wanted to find a way to bring these huge ideas down to earth, to tell them to my own daughter and to more kids in a way they can understand. My goal is to make this knowledge accessible, warm, and inspiring for every family. So, if you're curious, stick around. Let's get our kids excited about building the future, not just sitting back and watching it happen.